Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare Part B. First, understand the eligibility criteria and the best times to enroll to avoid any late penalties. Next, gather all your necessary documents, such as proof of age and citizenship, before you begin the online application process. This preparation will make the entire experience much smoother and quicker for you. To qualify for Medicare Part B, you generally need to be a U.S. citizen or legal resident for at least 5 years and typically age 65 or older. However, some individuals with disabilities or specific medical conditions may qualify sooner. The initial enrollment period is a 7-month window around your 65th birthday. If you miss this, special enrollment periods may apply if you have other creditable coverage, like through an employer. To apply online, begin by visiting the Social Security Administration's website, SSA.gov. You'll need to create or log into your My Social Security account. Navigate to the Medicare section and select the option to apply for Part B. Carefully complete the online application, Form CMS 40B, providing all requested information. If you're applying during a special enrollment period, you'll also need to upload supporting documents, such as Form CMSL 564, which verifies your employer health coverage. After submitting your online application, you should receive a confirmation. The Social Security Administration typically processes Part B applications within 1 to 3 months, though this can vary. Keep an eye on your mail for official notices and your new Medicare card. If you have any questions about your application status or need assistance, you can contact Social Security directly by phone or through your online account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.